Hey guys, how are you today? Today we just got this tool, just came in. It's called the Icopy Plus 2.1. So right now, iPhone 11 and up, and I've also seen like some XRs. When you change the battery, a message alert pops up saying that it cannot authenticate the battery. So apparently, this tool will allow you to copy the battery info from the original phone that you're taking off and to copy the data off the battery and to place it on the new aftermarket battery or if you're using another OEM battery, because apparently the data is paired to the phone. So whenever you see, even if you took an original LCD and switched it over from one phone to the other, because of the latest iOS, or I'm not sure, it will say that it cannot authenticate the battery or the LCD. So we've been seeing that, and even though the message alert goes away after 4 days, it's kind of annoying because you have to kind of explain to the customer why they're going to see that message for 4 days, and you know it's always better to try to resolve that issue. So I guess China has made this thing called the iCopy. But this is the iCopy Plus 2.1. This is the latest one because you can now switch over um, the batteries. Like they have more capability now, so this lightning cable. Anyways, let's open this up. I just got it in the mail today. Figure let's make a video. I'm gonna open this up. So I'm kind of excited. I'll probably make another follow-up video, or we'll see. But right now, this is just kind of the unboxing, just to see what we got here. Okay, cool. This is brand new. We're gonna open this little guy up. Kind of exciting. Alrighty. So anyway, so hopefully that message will go away, so it's not so annoying. Okay, so here we go. Get this little box here, and let's see what's going on. Oh wow, it's really cool. So take a look at this. So apparently this one didn't come with the lightning cable, but that's okay. You can add to that as well. But so that's pretty much the device. It's kind of cool. We'll go into a little bit more. And this is one of the, I guess snap-on cartridges that this pops off. Okay, so we're gonna get into a little further. We'll power this up and then go a little further from there. Okay, so next, let's take a look at this. This is on-off, read, write. So we would turn this on here. And also the charging port is for like iPhones as well. And this has a rechargeable battery, so that's kind of cool. And these are all the different models you can choose from. I guess there's really no side buttons here. Oh, look at this little guy. This might be a little issue right here. We'll take a look at that later. But we're gonna use, I guess there's really no side button. I guess you have to plug it in. Let's try it. Let's try to plug in 6S Plus. Let's see if it'll, this one's broken. Let's try to plug in a 6S, see if it'll read. Well, let's see. Let's try it with the broken screen. Let's try a 7. See if it reads this. So apparently you're supposed to plug in a 7/8 here, the LCD. I guess this goes on the top. Okay. Bottom read, bottom right. Okay, so read. It's reading. Okay, wish you could put this in English. And then I guess you take this off and put it on your 7 copy. Try this. 7 copy. And then right, bottom read, bottom right, right. Apparently that's it. But we will do more testing once we get an actual XR or 11, because we're going to know for sure if it's going to work or not. And we'll see. But anyways, this is the unboxing of this thing. Apparently that's all you need to do. And again, these are all the different connectors. And we have the other piece here. Let's see, let's shut this off. And we're going to pull this out. This is, no, it's got to pop up. There's this connector at the bottom. Looks like it lifts up. There we go. And then this is the other adapter. This is for the batteries. And you would just connect this here like so. And power it on. And then we would just use the batteries. Okay, that's kind of cool. I wonder if you can change this to, this is not touchscreen, I guess, to English. But I guess it's pretty easy. Read, write. That's all I really have to do. Let's try a 6S battery. What is this, a 6S? 6S. Let's try, I guess they're all the same. No, it's this one. This is the 6S. I guess you gotta go. I wonder if it matters which way you put this on. It's this one. Okay, there you go. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. So it's, I guess it's noticing it's from 2018. Showing you the amps, how much juice is left. And then you would just click read. It's reading. And then you would put it on the new battery. Let's see if we have a 6S battery. No, we'll go from there. We'll figure it out. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. We'll see what happens. And we'll let you know in the next video. Alright guys, thanks.